So the reason why you need books and records is pretty easy. First of all, it's a legal requirement. The IRS requires it. Little known fact that whenever you start a business, the IRS has jurisdiction over you. Among others, there's a bunch of other people that have jurisdiction over you, but we'll get into that in another lesson. Now, what are books and records, and what does bookkeeping have to do with it? Well, here's the thing. Going forward, eventually, your numbers have to go on a tax return. So think about that. Where are the numbers coming from? They're coming from your financial reports. How are the financial reports done? Well, first the numbers have to be compiled, reconciled, and categorized. That's what bookkeeping is. The bookkeeping, the source documents are your records. And your bookkeeping, along with your records, including all the other documents regarding your business activities, are your books and records. So bookkeeping ties it all together. Now, if the IRS asked, and I hope that they don't, they will look at your tax return and look at a number and say, let me see the proof, the trail. And you could show them your financial reports, and then from that, your bookkeeping. And then from that, you show them your actual receipts if you're required to have the receipts, the paper documents. But that's for another lesson. Now, the other reasons, the better reasons besides the IRS, is that it's going to help you know your numbers. Now, you don't have to learn how to be a bookkeeper. You have to learn what bookkeeping is and how it's done. Successful people will tell you that you have to know your numbers, and without solid bookkeeping, that's just not possible. Joe DeChara, entrepreneur with a CPA license, over and out. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you.